Just got sent this garment steamer, and I'm going to show you what it all comes with. So you have your beautiful steamer right there. This is going to be the attachment. It does come with a bonus one, and then also a little cup to fill up with water. So you can either fill the water directly in, or you can use the cup and then pour it in. And then this part just goes on top, kind of line that up, and then just twist, and you'll see it slide right into place right there. So it needs to go over a little bit more. There it is, perfectly lined up. That's going to be the on-off button. And now let's go steam something. Got the water in there. In 2.5 minutes, it's already bubbling. So it's definitely quick to start up, and then we'll start steaming. So I see the steam coming out now. It is ready. You want to start at the bottom and then just work your way up. And you go pretty slow, but it works really, really well. Isn't that amazing how fast that works? This is perfect for travel, for everyday use. And it just gets the wrinkles out right away. So simple, so easy to use. I love it, and I think you're gonna love it as well.